I'm Alan Warne, I'm the team leader for ICT operations for Environment Canterbury. Environment Canterbury is the regional council for the Canterbury region of the South Island of New Zealand. We've got three main entities. There's Environment Canterbury itself, which is around the management of our natural resources of soil, air, water and the coastal region. There's also the Metro service, where we oversee the provision of the bus services across the county, and we also provide civil defence. Environment Canterbury first started using the GFI products back in 2005. They were looking for a solution to the mail archiving problem they had at the time. We need to comply to the Public Records Act, so we need to capture all our emails. Before we had Mail Archiver, we had a mess of PST files around the organisation. Back in 2005, of course, we were using Exchange 2003, which has a very limited capacity, so a lot of staff did have to copy their emails out into various uncontrolled situations. So Mail Archiver allows us to capture all the emails going in and out of the organisation before they're received by the staff member, which means that even if a staff member accidentally deletes a message, we've still got that record. So when we get LGOIMA requests, Local Government Official Information Act requests, we have all the information. By centralising into Mail Archiver, we can find the email, and that saves us a lot of time and effort. So we can respond to LGOIMA requests much faster. We benefit by using Mail Archiver because it's web-based, so the users can be on any machine and get to their email archive. They don't have to go into Outlook, they don't have to open up a product, they don't have to be at a certain machine that has a certain piece of software installed. So for the user, it's a great solution because they can get to their emails and search all of their history from anywhere. The GFI products are all using standard Microsoft products. It's very easy for us to integrate that into our environment. We've got all those products already. We understand that architecture. So from an architectural point of view, their products just work in IT. We understand what they need and it's very easy for us to implement them. Our benefits from having Mail Archiver are around mitigating the risk of LGOIMA requests. So we can guarantee, where email's concerned, that we've got all our public records, so every interaction we have with the public, we've got covered. About 2 years ago, we were hitting a problem with our Mail Archiver because we were running it on a physical server and we were running out of physical disk. So what we did was we created a virtual environment. We used all the latest server operating systems and we installed the latest version of GFI Mail Archiver on there. It was nice at the time because Mail Archiver supported Server 2012 R2, and that operating system had only just come out, so we didn't get held back by the software we were trying to install. By moving from a physical environment to the virtual environment, we can very easily add on extra disk, and Mail Archive can just keep growing, and we've never stopped. So since we moved from a physical to a virtual environment, we have had no issue with capturing all our emails. When we've done the migrations in the past between versions, we've found this very easy, and the support we get from GFI has really helped us move through that, though we haven't actually had to call them that often because mostly it just works. During the migration, we moved 2 terabytes of database files. Something like 16.5 million emails were archived in those at the time. So it was quite a significant amount of data we were dragging around the network. So it was very satisfying that we actually met our deadline and everything worked. All the databases came back up and the staff just kept working without even noticing that we'd made the change.